Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you how you can find the Lava Fisherman in Fish It Roblox. So this NPC is hidden in a dangerous spot, but finding it is the only one you can unlock the lava road, this one. So if you're new to Fish It and you want to get this road, you can just follow what I do in here to find the Lava Fisherman. So first you need to go to the Kohana Island, and once you're in the dock you can just go straight in here to go inside the volcano. Okay, let's cross the water. You can just go up and go inside these doors on the right in here and just go up. So now you're in the Kohana volcano. As you guys can see, you'll easily spot the Lava Fisherman, so you need to go here. Be careful, because if you fall to the lava, then you need to respawn and you will go back to the Fisherman Island. So here you can just go to the top. So let's go up, and now you can just talk to the Lava Fisherman to get the lava road. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial.